Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about sickle cell anemia. If you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder which is caused by the production of abnormal hemoglobin called as the sickle hemoglobin. It is denoted by HbS. The production of HbS is due to mutation in the beta globin gene which codes for beta globin chain. The mutant beta globin chain of HbS has an altered amino acid sequence. That's the reason it will lead to sickle cell disease. The glutamic acid residue is normally present in the sixth position of beta chain of HbA, which is replaced by valine residue as a result of the mutation in the beta globin chain. So in normal cases, glutamic acid residue will be present in the sixth position, whereas in case of sickle cell anemia case, sixth position of beta chain will have valine instead of glutamic acid. So that is due to the mutation. When the glutamic acid residue is replaced by valine, the glutamic acid is a hydrophilic amino acid, whereas valine is a hydrophobic amino acid. So it generates a hydrophobic contact point. When glutamic acid is replaced by valine, it generates a hydrophobic contact point called as the sticky patch on the outer surface of the beta globin chain. And this alteration will reduce the solubility of deoxygenated HbS. When the HbS is deoxygenated, the sticky patch can bind to the another deoxygenated HbS molecule. And this binding causes polymerization of deoxy-HbS, forming insoluble long tubular fiber. The insoluble fibers of deoxygenated HbS are responsible for deforming the red blood cells, which will look like a blade of a sickle. And that's the reason this disease is called as the sickle cell disease. The sickled red blood cells lose water and become fragile and have much shorter lifespan than the normal cells. Normally, RBC, this lifespan is 120 days, whereas the lifespan of sickle red blood cells is only 17 days. And this lead to the lysis of red blood cells and result in hemolytic anemia, called as the sickle cell anemia. So the consequence of this is that the small blood capillaries in different organs become blocked by the long abnormally shaped red blood cells. This interrupts the supply of oxygen and which can lead to the oxygen deprivation and causes pain and eventually the death of the cell. So that is the reason for the hemolytic anemia and the lack of oxygen deprivation. Let's see sickle cell anemia and the sickle cell trait. Sickle cell anemia is a homozygous disorder in which the individual has inherited two mutant globin genes, one from each parent, and it is characterized by chronic hemolytic anemia, tissue damage, and pain and increased susceptibility to infections. So the people with this condition will not survive to their adult age. Sickle cell trait is a heterozygous state in which the individuals have abnormal mutated beta globin gene from only one parent and have one normal gene, and they do not show any clinical symptoms and can have a normal lifespan. The persons with sickle cell trait are resistant to malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum, and this parasite spends an obligatory part of this life cycle in the red blood cells. Since the sickle cell red blood cell have a shorter lifespan than the normal red blood cell, the parasite cannot complete its life cycle. And if we look at the inheritance pattern of sickle cell disease and the sickle cell trait, if let's say both the parents is having sickle cell trait, and when they have children, the possibility of having sickle cell disease, the children with sickle cell disease is 1 in 4 or 25 percentage, and the possibility of children who are carriers or the traits is 50 percentage, that is 2 in 4. And the possibility of children who do not get the gene from either parent is 25 percentage, that is 1 in 4. So that is the inheritance pattern of the sickle cell trait to the children. Hope you are clear with this topic. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.